For a young Joseph Smith living on the frontier of western New York in the early 1800s, the burning question of the day was, which church should he join? Which one was right? In 1820, it was a heady and cutting-edge question for the rising generation of the still young American Republic. Never before in history had joining a church of one's own choosing been such a ready and accessible option. Beginning in the 1620s, the Puritan Pilgrims came to North America looking for religious refuge, sparking questions about the government's involvement in religion. After the Revolutionary War, religious freedom was enshrined into the law through the Bill of Rights in 1791, which forbade the federal government through Congress from making any law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. However, at this time, the Bill of Rights only limited the powers of the federal government. At the state and local level, specific churches or ministers were sometimes directly sponsored and financially supported through taxes. These legal developments had a direct impact on the worship and practices of Joseph Smith's family and progenitors. By 1820, religious freedom had been spreading and developing in America for nearly 200 years. With no governmental restrictions on religious liberty, new churches and denominations sprang up at an unprecedented rate, making it easier than ever to find and join a church. While this is exactly what led Joseph to confusion and bewilderment, it is also what provided him the freedom to ponder and consider, without fear of legal repercussion, who of all these parties are right, or are they all wrong together? If any one of them be right, which is it? And how shall I know it? These legally granted religious freedoms made the Restoration possible and allowed countless numbers of people to follow their own conscience and spiritual promptings to join the restored Church of Jesus Christ. And now you know why.